Hello everyone out there, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is April 29th, and I know it's been a while since I've actually recorded information about American Bill money. But I wanted to come to you today just to let you know that American Bill money is still going strong. And of course, I'm here to show you some payment proof, but also to let you know that I started American Bill money back in May of 2017. And I recently received my 1099 form, and from May until the end of the year, I made about $30,000 utilizing American Bill money, the system that's in place, and of course, you know, scaling up to make sure that I'm earning consistently using this platform. For those that don't know, it's a postcard program. It's $125 to enter the program. And once you enter the program, you're able to make $75 in residual income for each person that joins the opportunity, okay? They provide you with the postcards, leads, and all you have to do is get your stamps. You can also take this opportunity online and just create a funnel and set your funnel up and run traffic to your funnel about American Bill money. So you can do this online or offline, depending on what you're most comfortable with. And how you want to run your business, okay? This is not a get-rich-quick program. They do have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and I love this opportunity because I've been getting paid every single week ever since I joined the program back in May of 2017. And you know, there's some people that say to me, well, I haven't had much success with this program. I wasn't able to make the money I thought. And what I'm finding out is people are actually quitting before they actually get started. And this is about consistency. If you're going to be dedicated to postcards, you have to maintain consistency and be focused on your program. If you're going to use a funnel, it has to be the same thing. You have to just be consistent. You cannot give up. You cannot think that this program is going to bring you in hundreds and thousands of dollars within 30 days. If that was the case, everyone would be doing this and no one would be working at McDonald's and Walmart, okay? So that just goes to show you, if you're consistent, like I am, I have a ton of videos. I put out a ton of information about American Bill money, and I make sure that the pipeline is always full about American Bill money. So just here, April 20th, I made a total of $300 with this program. As you can see, that's my name. $300 for April 20th, which was last week. Here on the 13th of April, I bought in a total of $150. Okay, there goes my name. We have here for April 6th, I bought in a total of $750. Sorry if it's not clear, but that was for April 6th. Here for March 30th, a total of $675. March 23rd, a total of $525. March 16th, a total of $375. March 9th, $150. And here, March 2nd, I had someone come all in at the highest level, which is a total of what yearly cost of $1,500. And I bought in a total of $1,875. Okay? So that just goes to show you what's possible with this program. What I'm going to do is just add this up for you to tell you what the total was for for 2 months, getting checks every single week from this program, because as I believe this is over the course of 2 months. So we have $1,875, $150, $375, $525, $675, $750, $150, and $300. So I made a total of $4,800 in 2 months utilizing this system, American Bill Money, and being a participant. If you want, like I said, you can get in at the $125 per month, which is going to get you 150 leads. You have to purchase your postcard separately, but it is extremely affordable. And what I'm doing for this month only, for the month of May, I'm going to send everyone that joins me additional leads for their postcards. So if you join the program with me, you're going to get additional leads from me directly. And then if you want to set up a funnel and run traffic to it, I can also set that up for you and get you started with that as well. So, really give it some thought the way that you would like to go with this program. It does work. It's still paying. Like I said, I haven't done videos for American Bill Money in a while. If you want more information about American Bill Money, the description is below. If you want to reach out to me, if you have any questions, that information is also below. Thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I'll see you guys again soon. So thanks again, and have a great day.